Hello, and thank you for joining us in another adventure here in Wanderlust City. Today we're going to Ricketts Glen State Park, and it's gonna be a really fun adventure. I met up with my friend Reggie. We played some soccer in Walmart in Jim's Thorpe. Then we explored the city a little bit. We had a nice burger, and it was like a really nice time. It was hot. There was a lot of people. And I got to see the town. I haven't been here before, so it was a really nice, sightseeing adventure. After that, we headed out to Ricketts Glen State Park. It was about 2 hours away. If you guys see the map, I didn't think it was gonna be that far, but once we got there, we decided to cook and take it easy and rest because it was late already. It might look like early in the video, but it was actually pretty late. In the morning, we had some really good food, and we headed out to to check out the trail. It was actually like a nice day. It wasn't like too hot, so we walked. I think it took us about 20 minutes to get to the first waterfall. The forest looked pretty cool. We ran into some people. We saw some pretty cool things. I think this tree being growing out of that stone was pretty cool. The river was nice and clear. My friend actually went in the water a few times on our way. The nature it just felt amazing to be in the nature, away from the city and everything. The waterfalls were just amazing, as you can see in the video. Really beautiful, clean water, and there was a lot of people too. So but yeah, just being out here in the nature was like a really nice change of routine. I really liked the waterfalls a lot, and the hike overall was great. We stopped a few times to get food, to drink some water, and talk to some people as well. I was flying my drone too, so people were looking at it and stuff like that. But it was just really nice. I didn't think I was gonna be able to see this type of waterfalls here in Pennsylvania. I'm living in New Jersey now, so it's just really nice to see the water. Something about seeing the water really clear and clean is really nice. And just seeing the people there, everything, it just didn't feel like it was pretty normal. At least it seemed like it to me and my friend Reggie. Everybody was having a great time. There was nothing else mattering. So that was really refreshing to see. And yeah, we just continue. There's about 21 waterfalls in total, so that's a lot. We didn't get to see all of them. We did most of them. We did about maybe 18, so we missed the last 3 or 4 that were very south. We just did a loop around. But yeah, as you can see, people were very happy, having a great time. We stayed there the night. We stayed 2 days. After we got back, I made some really great food, and we drank, and it was just a great time having a fire. So I'm really happy you guys watching this, and thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.